Most people think retirement is about saving more money. It's not. The real secret is owning assets that continue working long after you've stopped. Because here's the uncomfortable reality. Millions of people spend decades working, only to discover that their savings aren't growing fast enough to support the retirement they imagined. Inflation keeps rising. Living costs keep increasing. And suddenly, what looked like a comfortable nest egg starts looking surprisingly small. But some investors are approaching retirement differently. They're building portfolios designed to generate income, compound wealth, and grow over time. Today, I'm going to tell you the retirement stocks I would be looking at right now in 2026, why these businesses continue to attract long-term investors, and how a carefully built portfolio could potentially create financial freedom for decades to come. When most people hear the phrase retirement stocks, they immediately think of boring companies with slow growth and modest dividends. But retirement investing has changed. Today's retirees are living longer than previous generations. Many will spend 20, 30, or even 40 years in retirement. That means retirement investing is no longer simply about protecting wealth. It's about growing wealth while generating reliable income. The challenge is finding companies that can survive economic cycles, continue paying shareholders, and still benefit from the major trends shaping the future. That's exactly what we'll explore today. When most people think about retirement investing, they imagine a finish line. They picture a future version of themselves sitting on a beach, traveling the world, or simply enjoying life without worrying about money. But what many investors fail to realize is that retirement isn't a destination you arrive at overnight. It's a process that begins decades earlier through the ownership of businesses that continue creating value year after year. The challenge in 2026 is that the investment landscape looks very different from what it did 20 years ago. Interest rates have fluctuated. Technology has transformed entire industries. Artificial intelligence is changing the way businesses operate, and people are living longer than ever before. As a result, retirement portfolios can no longer rely solely on slow-growing companies that simply pay a dividend. Investors today need businesses that can generate income while also participating in the growth trends shaping the future. That is exactly why the first company that stands out to me is Microsoft. For many investors, Microsoft may not immediately come to mind when discussing retirement stocks. Traditionally, retirement portfolios were associated with utilities, consumer staples, and mature dividend payers. But Microsoft has evolved into something far more powerful than a technology company. It has become a foundational layer of the modern economy. Think about how businesses operate today. Millions of companies rely on Microsoft software, cloud services, cybersecurity tools, and productivity platforms every single day. Whether economic conditions are strong or weak, organizations continue using these services because they have become essential infrastructure. What makes Microsoft especially attractive is that it combines the stability of a mature business with the growth potential of emerging technologies like artificial intelligence. In many ways, Microsoft represents the ideal retirement stock for the modern era. It generates enormous cash flow, consistently rewards shareholders, and remains deeply connected to some of the most important technological trends of the next decade. Instead of choosing between growth and stability, investors can potentially benefit from both. The second company worth discussing is Johnson & Johnson. If technology represents the future, healthcare represents necessity. The world is aging. Populations across developed countries are growing older, healthcare spending continues rising, and medical innovation remains one of the most important sectors in the global economy. Unlike many industries that experience significant swings during recessions, healthcare demand tends to remain relatively consistent. People may delay purchasing luxury goods during difficult economic periods, but they rarely delay essential medical treatment. This reality has helped Johnson & Johnson build one of the most respected reputations in the healthcare industry. The company operates across multiple healthcare segments, creating diversification within the business itself. Rather than depending on one breakthrough drug or one product category, it benefits from multiple revenue streams that can support long-term growth and shareholder returns. For retirement investors, predictability is often more valuable than excitement. Johnson & Johnson may never be the stock generating flashy headlines, but over long periods of time, consistent execution can be incredibly powerful. Another company that embodies this principle is Procter & Gamble. One of the most fascinating aspects of investing is that some of the strongest businesses are often the least exciting. Procter & Gamble sells products people use every day without thinking about them. Household essentials, personal care products, and consumer staples don't generate the same excitement as artificial intelligence or electric vehicles, but they possess something equally important: recurring demand. No matter what happens in financial markets, consumers continue purchasing everyday necessities. This creates a level of stability that can be incredibly valuable during retirement. Investors aren't simply buying products, they're buying customer habits that have been built over generations. Those habits create durable revenue streams that help support dividend growth and long-term shareholder value. The beauty of a company like Procter & Gamble is that it doesn't need explosive growth to succeed. Its strength comes from consistency. And when retirement investing spans decades rather than months, consistency becomes a powerful advantage. The same principle applies to Coca-Cola. Few companies in the world possess the kind of global brand recognition that Coca-Cola enjoys. The company has spent generations building one of the strongest consumer brands ever created. Its products are sold in countries across the globe, creating a distribution network that would be extraordinarily difficult for competitors to replicate. What makes Coca-Cola particularly interesting for retirement investors is the durability of its business model. Consumer tastes evolve, markets change, and economic cycles come and go. Yet the company continues finding ways to adapt while maintaining its global presence. Many investors underestimate the power of brand equity. When consumers trust a brand and continue purchasing its products over decades, that trust becomes an economic asset in itself. Coca-Cola's ability to generate consistent cash flow has allowed it to reward shareholders for generations, making it a classic retirement holding. Moving beyond consumer products, another stock that deserves serious attention is Visa. At first glance, Visa may not appear to fit the traditional retirement mold. After all, it doesn't manufacture products or own thousands of physical locations. Instead, it operates one of the most important financial networks in the world. Every year, billions of transactions move through Visa's payment infrastructure. What's remarkable is that Visa benefits regardless of what consumers purchase. Whether someone buys groceries, books a flight, or pays a subscription service, Visa often earns a small fee from the transaction. This creates a business model that scales incredibly well over time. As digital payments continue replacing cash around the world, Visa gains exposure to a secular growth trend that could continue for decades. Retirement investing isn't just about preserving wealth, it's about participating in durable economic shifts, and the move toward digital payments remains one of the most significant. Real estate also deserves a place in many retirement portfolios, which brings us to Realty Income. For decades, real estate has been a cornerstone of wealth building. However, owning physical properties requires time, capital, and ongoing management responsibilities. Realty Income offers a different approach. Through its real estate investment trust structure, investors gain exposure to thousands of commercial properties while receiving regular income distributions. The company leases properties to a diverse range of tenants, helping reduce dependence on any single industry or business. One reason retirees often appreciate Realty Income is the predictability of its cash flow model. Long-term leases create recurring income streams that can support shareholder distributions even during periods of market uncertainty. The final company on this list is NextEra Energy. While utilities are often viewed as conservative investments, the energy landscape is undergoing a significant transformation. Electricity demand is increasing as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, electric vehicles, and digital infrastructure continue expanding. Every major technological trend ultimately requires power. That reality creates opportunities for companies involved in energy generation and distribution. NextEra stands out because it combines the stability associated with utilities and exposure to renewable energy infrastructure, positioning itself at the intersection of reliability and future growth. What makes this especially compelling for retirement investors is that energy demand is not a temporary trend. It is likely to remain a fundamental requirement of economic growth for decades. When I look at these 7 companies together, what stands out is not simply their dividends or their size, it's their resilience. Microsoft benefits from digital transformation. Johnson & Johnson benefits from healthcare demand. Procter & Gamble benefits from consumer habits. Coca-Cola benefits from brand strength. Visa benefits from payment modernization. Realty Income benefits from real estate cash flows. NextEra benefits from growing energy demand. Each company participates in a different part of the economy, creating diversification while still maintaining exposure to long-term growth trends. Ultimately, retirement investing is not about finding the stock that will double next year. It's about building ownership in businesses that can continue creating value long after today's headlines are forgotten. The goal isn't excitement. The goal is sustainability. And over the course of 20 or 30 years, sustainable compounding often accomplishes something extraordinary. It transforms ordinary investments into life-changing wealth. Artificial intelligence remains a major growth driver for technology companies. Energy demand is increasing due to expanding data center infrastructure. Healthcare spending continues rising as populations age across developed economies. Meanwhile, digital payments keep replacing traditional cash transactions around the world. These long-term trends continue influencing where institutional investors are allocating capital and may help shape retirement portfolios for years to come. Retirement isn't built in the final 5 years before you stop working. It's built through decades of ownership. The goal isn't finding the next hot stock. The goal is owning businesses that continue generating value year after year, decade after decade. The companies we've discussed today aren't exciting because they're trendy. They're exciting because they've demonstrated resilience, adaptability, and the ability to reward shareholders over long periods of time. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which retirement stock are you buying right now, and why? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we'll be covering more investing strategies, retirement ideas, dividend opportunities, and wealth-building content designed to help you grow your portfolio with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.